Can you put wheel spacers on the back and not the front? Of course, let's do it. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. The special design of this BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped groove on the back. The BONOSS wheel stud and lug nut pass the SGS and TUV test report. The matching lug nut use 40 chrome material. By continuously forging process, they have achieved ISO standard grade 10. The matching wheel stud uses SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, no harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.